And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 181. Let us dive into the pen tool. Let's start very easy. I'm going to use this leaf, and if you want to use the same, you're going to find a link to it in the video description. And we want to trace the outline of it. When you use the pen tool, you can just left click. But we are already running into problems. Number one, you can see that the fill color, which is white right here. So this is now overlapping the leaf. That's usually not what we want because we might not see the outline anymore. So it makes using the pen tool a little bit harder. So it's a good idea to set the fill color right here to none whenever you use pen tool, because now you're only going to see the outline and then you can trace the outline way better. Then zoom in. Here we have the second problem. We don't have a straight line, we have a curve. Then we press Ctrl Z. To create a curve, you left click, hold, and then you drag. So this is the way you do it. But the next problem arises. Once you've drawn a curve, your pen tool, so this indicator of the next line, will also be curved. We don't want that. We want to have a straight line. To get rid of it, just go back to the former anchor point. So the last one that you've drawn, and left click on it. And now you should have a straight line again. Now let us go over the outline. I'm going to use these principles. So once again, just left click for a straight line, left click and drag for a curve. If you don't need a curve after you've drawn a curve, go back to the prior anchor point, left click on it, and then you get a straight line again. I move around on the canvas on this image by holding the space bar, which temporarily activates the hand tool, and then I can left click drag. For zooming, I hold Control and I use the mouse wheel, and now you just have to go over it until you've arrived at the start point. Left click on it and then your shape is closed. Let me zoom out by pressing Ctrl 0. Then I reposition the image below, maybe up to here. And you can already see the outline. Let me give that a greenish fill. And this is how you could easily trace an outline and create, for example, a simplified icon design of an object. Once more, left clicking gives you straight lines, left click dragging gives you curved lines. And you can go back to the former anchor point to get straight lines again after a curve. And if you go back to the start point, you can left click and close your shapes. So these are the basic principles of the pen tool. Once more, you will find the image in the description. It's a good idea for a beginner to just download the image and then try to trace this outline yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.